Disabling USB ports on a Windows PC primarily enhances security by preventing unauthorized data theft and stopping malware, viruses, or rubber ducky hardware attacks from infecting the system via untrusted flash drives. To disable USB storage or ports on a Windows PC, you can use the Device Manager for specific ports or the Registry Editor to block all external USB flash drives and storage devices completely. To disable USB ports using Device Manager. On the search box, type Device Manager, then select the best match. Scroll down and expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. In this demo, we'll select USB mass storage, which is drive F as shown here in the File Explorer. Going back to Device Manager, right-click on specific USB root hub. Then click Disable Device and confirm by selecting Yes. On the File Explorer, now drive F is not showing. Here in the Device Manager, it shows arrow down on the disabled port. To re-enable it, just right-click the desired port and select Enable. To block USB storage drives using Registry Editor, follow these steps. Press the Windows key plus R, then type regedit, and press Enter. Navigate to the path, hkey_local_machine/system/current control set/services/USB store. Double-click the Start entry on the right side. Change the value data field from 3 to 4 and click OK. Restart your computer to apply the block. To verify the setting, open File Explorer after the system restart. The connected USB drive should no longer be visible. To re-enable USB ports, navigate back to hkey_local_machine/system/current control set/services/USB store in the Registry Editor, set the start value back to 3, and restart the computer for the changes to take effect. Take note also that when USB storage is blocked on the Reg Editor, it will show yellow Windows warning icon on Device Manager. This covers how to disable USB storage on Windows PC. If you have a question to ask, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.